This Maine Outdoor Properties Team Less Than Bedroom Greater Than Realty of Maine property video is presented by Mark Leathers. This home sits in the heart of the village of Grand Lake Stream, Maine, a highly desirable recreation destination for anglers and hunters. The home has updated wiring, new plumbing, private well, new thermal windows and a new kitchen. It is perfect for a family moving to the area to live and work, or as a second home/fisherman's retreat. Fire/rescue close by, public tennis courts, basketball court, ball field across the street. Weatherby's Lodge is adjacent to property with dining and fly shop as well as the Pine Tree Store across the street. Public dock for boat access and swimming 100 yards from home. Grand Lake Stream is in the middle of 750,000 acres of conserved, undeveloped timberland with open public access for hunting, fishing, ATVs, and snowmobiling with its trail system access. Dozens of undeveloped lakes, ponds, and rivers for fishing salmon, trout and smallmouth bass out the front door. If a new owner is interested, Weatherby's Lodge will manage this property as a rental when you are not here, generating income that can be used for continued improvements or to offset a mortgage. For more information, review the details below or contact Mark Leathers at 207-356-4388.